In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a paid OpenAI API account and start using the Chatgpt API along with other OpenAI API products. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to the OpenAI platform. If you haven't already, you'll need to log into your account. Existing users can simply provide their credentials and click enter. If you're new to OpenAI, you'll need to create an account by following the on-screen instructions, which will guide you through entering your basic information and verifying your email address. Once you're logged into your OpenAI account, you'll need to locate the pricing section. This is where you can explore the various offerings that OpenAI has for its API products. Across the top navigation bar, you should find a pricing link. Go ahead and click that. Now you should be presented with several plans to choose from. Take your time here to review each plan's details, features, and pricing to decide which one aligns best with your needs. Whether you're a developer, a business, or just experimenting, there's likely a plan that suits you. Once you've made your decision, go ahead and click on the plan you want to subscribe to. After selecting your plan, you'll be directed to a page to enter your payment information. It's crucial to ensure your payment details are accurate to avoid any interruptions in service. Most major credit cards are accepted, and some users may have the option to use other payment methods depending on their location. Enter your credit or debit card details as prompted, ensuring everything is correct before proceeding. Next, you'll need to enter your billing address. This step is fairly straightforward. Simply input the address associated with your payment method. Be precise, as any discrepancies can lead to payment issues. Having the billing address match the one on your credit card statement can prevent unnecessary payment delays. With all your details in place, it's time to finalize this process by clicking the subscribe button. This confirms your choice and processes your payment information. You'll likely see a confirmation message on the screen indicating that your subscription is active and you can now access OpenAI's APIs. And there you have it. You're now set up with a paid OpenAI API account, ready to explore the capabilities of the Chatgpt API and other OpenAI products. Whether you're building applications or just curious about what's possible, having access to these tools opens up a world of opportunities in AI development. If you have any questions or run into any issues, OpenAI's support resources are just a click away. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy exploring in the world of AI.